From now on, we're poison to you, Spider-Man. That's why we call ourselves Venom. Spider-Man, enjoy your fame while it lasts. We are one. We will crush you like a tin can. Never wound what you can't kill. Destruction will bring us great happiness. Shut up. You dare to take the other from me? Why, if it isn't our old boss, perfect appetizer. There is no more Eddie, no more Symbiote, only Venom. We're going to turn out your lights. This party's over. I like being bad. It makes me happy. Goodbye. I'll crush you like a worm. You may be our spawn, but that won't keep us from destroying you. No loud noises to help you. Yes. We recall replicating. We cannot be stopped. No!